Hi guys, we're actually having our first car show today down at Talk Workshop out at Oakland Way.
Yeah, with the Bowie Car Wash. Just taking over management. So come on down, enjoy the day. Thanks guys. Hi guys, Steve from Talk Automotive. Come and check out our brand new workshop.
Today was a great turnout. We had some really hot cars and the raffle went really well. First prize, a helicopter ride. That was donated from Robinson Constructions, which was pretty cool. A young lady and her son won that, which were pretty stoked. The second prize is actually custom fire extinguishers, which is pretty cool. So they donated a $125 gift voucher, and a young lady won that as well. We're actually waiting on hearing back from them. And their details will be on this page, so give them a shout out. And if you want your own customised fire extinguisher, don't hesitate to give them a go. They're great. They're nice, so they look pretty cool.
And third prize was the food voucher for Ned's.
For Ned's, the steakhouse in Bow Desert.
Dinner voucher.
Really good food down there, so a big shout out to them as well. They were really nice to offer us that. And I'd just like to give a really big shout out to Voodoo Custom Rods because they came all the way down from the Sunshine Coast to support us.
Well, they set up a stall too, so it took time to set all that up.
And we just found out that they're coming with us to Mildura as well.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Really nice family operated business. If there's any specialised parts you need, they're the people to call. We'll also have their contact details in our post.
And Zarafas.
Zarafas, Bow Desert, actually donated 50 free coffees.
Yeah, that's nice of them.
So that was pretty awesome of them. So everyone knows who Zarafas is, so we don't really need to log them, but we'll put them down the bottom as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Look out for what we've coming up next because it's going to be bigger and better.